नमस्ते, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड इट्स टाइप के बारे में। बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है। यह वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और नॉलेज गेनिंग होने वाला है, तो वीडियो के अंत तक बने रहिए। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम लोग जानते हैं व्हाट इज केमिकल रिएक्शन। केमिकल रिएक्शन होता है क्या है? Chemical reaction is nothing, it is the rearrangement of atoms. Suppose this is a chemical reaction. This is sodium hydroxide react with hydrogen chloride, that is hydrochloric acid, to form NaCl and H2O, that is water. Sodium, oxygen and hydrogen, this is hydrogen and chlorine, and in product sodium, chlorine, hydrogen and oxygen. This reaction is rearrangement of atom. There is nothing, sodium with hydroxide and hydrogen with chlorine. Now sodium with chlorine and hydrogen with water. So in this reaction there is only rearrangement of atom. So reaction is nothing, it is the rearrangement of atom. Now we will discuss how reaction occurs. Reaction होता क्यों है, क्यों होता है reaction? तो रिएक्शन होने के कई कारण हैं। जैसे हम लोग कह सकते हैं फॉर गेनिंग मोर स्टेबिलिटी। सपोज इफ एनीवन हैव नो जॉब, नथिंग टू डू, देन ही वांट टू गेट अ जॉब सो दैट दे आर स्टेबल। और जॉब का मतलब गवर्नमेंट जॉब। कोई भी चाहता है कि इफ ही got a government job then he is stable, and सारा भागादौड़ी इसी के लिए होता है, to get a government job. In this case atom also gain stability, and for stability they react with another atom, and in this case there is a rule for obtaining a stability, that is a octet rule. If any atom have 8 electron in their outermost configuration, then they are stable. So every atom wants to attain their octet in their outermost configuration. That's why they react with any other atom. Suppose this is a sodium and the atomic number of sodium is 11. Their configuration is 2, 8, 1. So the one electron in their outermost configuration and the second outermost is 8 electron. So sodium obtain their stability by obtaining 8 electron in their outermost configuration, and for obtaining 8 electron here in their outermost configuration, it loses 1 electron. So sodium loses 1 electron and becomes Na plus by giving 1 electron, and that's why the configuration of Na plus is 2, 8. So 8 electron in their outermost configuration, so Na plus is stable. So for stability every atom react. चलिए, now we will discuss about different types of chemical reaction. First of all, combination reaction. The question is, what is combination reaction? Combination reaction means two or more than two substances combine to form a single product, then that reaction is known as combination reaction. नाम में ही definition है. Combination means combine, two or more substances combine to form a single substance, then that reaction is known as combination reaction. Suppose if carbon burn in oxygen to form carbon dioxide, Here carbon bonds in oxygen to form carbon dioxide. This is a combination reaction because carbon combined with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. The next example is hydrogen react with oxygen to form H2O, that is water molecule. So this is also a combination reaction. Now we can balance it. This is a combination reaction. If we burn magnesium ribbon in oxygen, then it form magnesium oxide. This is also combination reaction. So in all the cases, two substances combine to form a single substance. So that reaction is known as combination. Now the second reaction is decomposition reaction. It is the just opposite of combination reaction. In combination reaction, two or more substances combine to form a single product. In decomposition reaction, one substance break up into two or more substances, and that reaction is known as decomposition reaction. Now we will see decomposition reaction. Calcium carbonate on heating gives calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So on heating, calcium carbonate form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So this is an example of decomposition reaction because calcium carbonate on heating decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. On heating, if we talk about the different types of decomposition reaction, there are three types of decomposition reaction. The first one is thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition. It means on heating, if one substance break up into two or more substances, then that decomposition reaction is known as thermal decomposition reaction. So this is a thermal decomposition reaction because on heating calcium carbonate, it is converted into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. The second reaction, the second decomposition reaction is photo decomposition. Photo means light. Photo decomposition. It means if any substance break up into two or more substances in presence of light, then that reaction is known as, that decomposition reaction is known as photo decomposition reaction. So if AgCl break up into AgNCl in presence of sunlight, so this is a decomposition reaction, and this decomposition reaction is known as photo decomposition reaction because in presence of light it is decomposes into silver and chlorine. The third one is electrolytic. Electrolytic decomposition. Electrolytic decomposition means break up into two or more substances by help of electric current. So if water converted into H2 and O2 by electric current, with the help of electric current, we can convert water into hydrogen and oxygen, and this decomposition is known as electrode decomposition reaction because by the help of electric current we can decompose water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen. So these are the three different types of decomposition reaction. First one is thermal decomposition. It is happen only when any substance is heated. And the second one is photo decomposition reaction. So in presence of light, any substance break up into two or more than two substances. And the third one is electrolytic decomposition reaction. By applying electric current, we can decompose a substance into two or more substances, that is electrolytic decomposition. We will discuss the third one, that is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction means a more reactive element displace less reactive element from their salt solution, then that reaction is known as displacement reaction. So, if copper sulfate solution react with iron, then iron sulfate is formed and copper is also formed. So, the solution of copper sulfate, if we put iron nail in copper sulfate solution, then we observe that after half an hour the blue color, copper sulfate, that is blue in color, and ferrous sulfate, that is light green. If we put iron nail in copper sulfate solution, then we can observe half an hour later that the solution of blue color disappears and now the color of the solution is green, because if we put iron nail in copper sulfate solution, then iron displace copper from their salt solution, because iron is more reactive than copper. So iron sulfate is formed and copper displaced from their solution, copper obtained on the bottom of the container. So in this case displacement reaction occurs. Displacement means more reactive element displace less reactive element. Suppose in any circumstances, suppose in a police station if SP will come, तो क्या होगा? Inspector will stand up on their seat because his superior is come to his office. So in this case also this is more reactive. So when we put more reactive element in salt solution, then it displaces the less reactive element and go to the solution and form their respective salts. Now if we put copper in ferrous sulfate solution, then no reaction occur. If we put copper in ferrous sulfate reaction, then there is no reaction because copper is less reactive than iron. Suppose if SI is go to a DM office, if SI enters into DM cabin, what happened? DM as usual sit on their chair, he do not stand up. But if DM came to police station, then sub-inspector stand up to congratulate, to give respect, because he is superior. In this case, copper is less reactive. Suppose copper is SI and he is DM, district magistrate. If he came into his chamber, there is no change in position of DM. But if in this case, this is DM, district magistrate, and this is SI, if DM came to SI office, he stand up to give honor. So displacement reaction means more reactive element displace less reactive element from their salt solution. Now double displacement reaction. In a double displacement reaction, two compounds react and exchange their ions. So in this reaction, two compounds react and they exchange their ions. So this reaction is known as double displacement reaction. So now silver nitrate react with sodium chloride to form silver chloride plus sodium nitrate. In this reaction, silver nitrate, that is aqueous means solution, silver nitrate solution, react with sodium chloride solution to form silver chloride, that is solid. In this reaction, precipitate is formed. Precipitate means solid substance is formed, and the sodium nitrate, that is also a solution. In this reaction, they exchange their ions, silver with nitrate ion and chlorine with sodium with chloride ion. They exchange their ions. Now silver with chloride ions and sodium with nitrate ion. So in this reaction, two substances react and they exchange their ions. So this reaction is known as double displacement reaction. Another example, if NaOH, that is aqueous plus hydrochloric acid, that is also aqueous, react to form NaCl, that is aqueous plus H2O liquid. Now in this reaction also exchange of ions takes place, sodium with hydroxide ion and hydrogen with chloride ion. Now sodium with chloride ion and water is formed. So in this reaction they also exchange of ions, but this reaction is also known as neutralization reaction. So neutralization reaction is also a double displacement reaction. In this reaction there is no precipitated form. So double displacement reaction is also known as precipitation reaction, but all double displacement reaction not a precipitation reaction, because every double displacement reaction there is no precipitate is formed. So all precipitation reaction is double displacement reaction, but all double displacement reaction is not precipitation reaction. And neutralization reaction is also double displacement reaction. अगर आपको information इंटरेस्टिंग लगा हो, जानकारी अच्छी लगी हो, तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.